If you've ever tucked away a conversation in Telegram and now can't find it, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve archived chats on Telegram quickly and easily. This is a really useful trick if you use Telegram for personal chats, work messages, or group conversations and want to bring an old chat back into your main list. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram desktop app and take a look at the very top of your main chat list. Right there, you should see a box or folder labeled Archived Chats. Telegram keeps archived conversations in this separate area so they stay out of your main inbox until you need them again. Once you see Archived Chats, click on it to open the folder. This will show you all of the conversations that have been hidden or stored away. If you archive a lot of chats, you may see multiple conversations here. So take your time and look for the specific one you want to restore. Now scroll through the archived list and find the chat you want to bring back. It could be a one-on-one conversation, a group chat, or even a channel depending on what you archived before. Once you've found it, right-click the chat to open the options menu. From that menu, choose Unarchive. This will immediately move the chat back into your main chat list, where it will be easy to access again. In most cases, that's all you need to do. The conversation is now restored, and you can continue chatting as normal. If you don't see the chat right away in your main list, just remember that it may return to the position based on your recent activity, so it can appear near the top if it's been recently used. That's completely normal and just how Telegram organizes active conversations, and that's it. You've now learned how to retrieve archived chats on Telegram using the desktop app. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Telegram tips, app tutorials, and quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.